Now, there is, and thank you for the question, by the way, there is a link below this video to the technical sheet of this ASI 1224 rod. Simply stated, the installation of this item, of the 1224 rod with the concealed type flange, is this. You have three components. You've got the rod, forget about that for right now. You've got the two rings that are on the drawing that are 5/8 thick. Forget about those. You've got those two threaded discs. Okay. Take the two threaded discs, mount them on the walls. Great. Measure the distance between the two threaded discs and maybe take off 1/16 of an inch. And that's what you're going to cut your rod to. Okay. What you'll do is you're then going to take your two rings, the 5/8 thick things, slide one over here, slide one over here over the rod. Take the rod and have someone help you. Take your one end and thread the ring onto the threaded plate. Do the same on the other side. Thread that down. Then you've got the little set screw. Cup point 832 by 316 stainless steel slotted screw. You just tighten that up just to kind of lock the bar from rotating on you. But that's how that works, and it's really kind of that easy. So I've done this before. I've installed, I've cut them too short in the past, and it was a problem. I had to recut it. You know, there's no reason to make your rod any less than 1/8 of an inch between your 2 points. Make it 1/16, just so it slides in. And it's easy stuff. If there's any questions after my quick response to how to prepare and then install the 1224 rod, please absolutely not hesitate to reach back out to me. Thank you.